Features and benefits. Disc and belt sander in one machine saves precious space in your workshop. Belt sander repositional between horizontal and vertical position. Workpiece table adjust to any angle between 90 and 45 degrees. The table can be relocated to either belt position or disc. Adjustable miter gauge rides in the miter slot of the workpiece table to assist in standard and compound angles. Quick change of discs via Velcro backing pad. Optional various grades of grits available for both disc and the belt. Heavy duty cast iron construction. Can be mounted on a bench or on the included steel stand. Down here, the no volt release safety switch with large off button helps you keep safe by shutting the machine off if there is an interruption to the power supply. Individual dust ports for the disc and also for the belt. Adjustable dust port on the belt sander allows longer workpieces to be sanded. The belt sander can be used to perform internal curved work by standing at the opposite end of the machine from the dust guard and place the workpiece over the nose of the belt sander. The standard fitted graphite slip cloth assists in smooth and consistently powerful performance of the sanding belts. The belt sander has easy tracking and tensioning adjustment dials on both sides of the arm, as well as a quick release lever to enable rapid changing of belts between grits.